Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P day trade setup for today. So the S&P 500 has been pretty much going up. The trend has been up. Doesn't matter how you draw that trend line in, it is up. You are making higher lows all the way up. We have kind of broken through a range area here. Not quite a decent breakout on the daily as far as I'm concerned, but I think the important thing for me is that's 3 days in a row that we have closed above the 150 EMA. And for those of you who follow me for a while, you'll know my theory of third time lucky. You can see here, 3 attempts to break through, failed. There was only 2. The 150 EMA for me is a reasonably good indication of where the trend is. And it just allows me to be a little bit earlier than a 200 EMA. Okay, don't have a crossover yet to the 220, but I think that is imminent at the moment. And if we start drilling down to lower time frames here, you'll start seeing a complete different picture. So you'll see a picture of range, sideways, confusion. But the last couple of, let's just got the wrong indicator on there. What I want to show you here is we have a consolidation section there and a breakout. Then immediately we have another bit of consolidation and we now have a breakout. And this is right on A level. Okay, so the bulls are pushing. They are trying their best. The bears are trying to keep it below this level. And I think might as well just draw the zone in because that's what we're battling with at the moment. So we need to break through 29.76, and then 3,000 is going to offer a little bit more resistance as well. But I think, as far as I'm concerned, we're looking for longs. Any pullback is an opportunity to buy. It is a public holiday today in the USA, so don't expect much on the lines of volumes. Maybe in the European session there'll be something, but I'm not really interested in trading this today. So we'll wait for tomorrow. But I suspect we're either going to be breaking through this, but then I think on the US session we'll probably pull back a little bit. But the fact that we sort of rallied into the close, there were buyers coming in on a Friday afternoon, that just rings warning bells in my head. Okay, so any pullback is an opportunity to buy. And as you can see here, if we look at Friday's price action, look to the left, and you can see I would have had to sort of have that level in there, and my second level would have been pretty much up in that area there. And you can see exactly what happened. If I come down to 12 or 15 minute chart, you'll see exactly what happened. 1 attempt, 2 attempts, 3 attempts at the level and upward. Yes, they're far from the level, but there's still attempts to get down, and the buyers were stepping in, ambushing that. Okay, so there was the opportunity long on a Friday, much to everybody's surprise. And of course, we rallied a decent 500 odd points. Okay, so just staying down here on the 15-minute chart here, you can see cross over the moving averages. Trend is up at the moment. We should be looking to buy today, and that's exactly what I'm going to be looking at. I'm not so sure I'm going to do it today, though. Just maybe during the European session, we'll see what transpires. But when the USA is on holiday, most of the markets are very subdued. So we'll just keep an eye on it during the first hour or so in Europe. If nothing transpires, then it'll be a long weekend. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much the story that I have at the moment. And if you look at the 15 minutes, well, we do have this little cup and handle, inverse cup and handle breakout. So a retest in this area of 29.53, 29.56 would interest me in a bit of a long. Don't really want to take a long at this area because we do have this level of resistance just above us at 29.76. But if we break through that and come back and test it on any time frame from the 15 minutes up, I'm long, and probably stay long for the remainder of the week. because that breakout will be significant. Okay, if you just look at the congestion that we've had here, this is pretty much a double bottom. There's a neckline. So what that basically means is you have a breakout, first target of that, and we'll get the exact targets now. And then we have a second target of this measured move here, which is just a little bit higher. So those two measured moves are 30,049 or 30,050, 3,050 and 3,071. Okay, if you look to the left, you'll see that's the next area of congestion. Okay, anyway, guys, I'm looking for longs in the first hour or two of trading, but if it goes beyond there, we still haven't broken out, then I think I'll just sit back and wait, because then the volumes are going to be very, very thin. As you go into the afternoon session, they're just going to get thinner and thinner and thinner. Okay, hope it helps, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Cheers for now.